Where the kids go in the rain. Where the kids go in the rain. Mommy, Mommy, where's my pet? Kids outside getting wet. What? It rained.
When water heats up, it turns into
What it rained when water held up in vapor rise into the sky, where it becomes cold and turns into a cloud.
becomes bigger.
The cloud becomes big red until what fell?
Raindrops.
Raindrop.
Kitty will find a place.
Kitty will fly a plane that travels. Let's look for Kitty. Want to try? Do cats like rain? Do cats like rain?
Makes a cat
Know what to make. A cat fur feels very heavy.
Cat's ears cannot keep water out, and they don't like the way it smells. For Kitty, it's rain.
For Kitty, it rain. Rain, go away.
Raindrops are falling on Mama Duck.
She likes the wet and rusty much. Do ducks like rain?
When ducks
When ducks come, the duck feather when the bird they leave a lay off or on top.
water slide off.
It keeps the feather dust
body dry and warm. In a lake or in
in
the
a
rain,
lake.
ducks are waterproof.
Wren was scared.
He stays busy on a
He stayed busy on a rainy day.
Do squirrels like rain?
If it is
It's not raining to hell.
squirrel will curl its tail over its head to make a built-in umbrella. In heavy rains, squirrels stay in their nests to keep dry.
Brown fish is sunny a hair.
He doesn't mind a
He doesn't mind a rainy
rainy yard.
year.
Do beetles like
Do
rain?
beetle like rain? A beetle has a hair that still like convincing that pavement is dry.
Worms are squirmy and wet now.
Their spring and ridgy are around.
Do worms like
Do
rain?
worm like rain?
Yes.
Yes.
Earthworms mostly live and travel underground because they need moisture all the time. After it rains, you will see worms because it is wet enough for them. They can wriggle along much faster above ground.
Kangaroos. Do butterflies
Keeping wings dry is what's best.
rest?
Do better like rain?
Rain
Rain makes
butterflies too
butterflies
cold
too
fly.
clothes to
Hide
fly.
out in
They
protected
hide
spots
out in
called roosts until the storm passes.
boxes.
When the sun comes out, so do the butterflies.
Bird
Bird
peeks out
feeds
from a hole
off
in a
from
tree.
a hole in a tree.
He says,
He said, "Look, no
on
rain
me."
on me."
Do birds like rain?
Do birds like rain?
Some do,
Some do,
don't.
some don't.
Small
Most
birds
in
tuck themselves away in nests, or the inner branches
Of-
of a tree or bush, or under anything that will keep the rain off. After a rainstorm passes, you can go outside and listen for all the birdie chirps.
Look at that.
I
I think I spy my kitty cat.
Clouds are
Clouds are good. The
sun is
sun is high.
Here's my kitty.
Here's my kitty, warm and bright. Where did Kitty go? Where did Kitty go in the rain?